Got the new, well, it's been out for a little bit, CAMILLUS CARNIVORE X. A little improvement to the old Carnivore. We're just going to take a quick look at it. Not a full review, just giving you all a little look, little details and things like that. But here we go. There you go. Definitely shiny. Titanium bonded. And let's take a look at it. What do we got going on here? Well, it is a 12-inch blade with an ergonomic handle, and it comes with a saw, which that is definitely, I can tell from the old one. I don't have my other one out here, but from the other one, that is definitely an improvement on the blade for cutting, as I will demonstrate here in a second. Because of that, which you can tie off to a stick. And yes, as you see, you can spearfish with it. So I thought that was pretty neat. Then it comes with the two common. Well, this is going to be noisy. So let's just see. Let's continue on. Well, y'all get the point. He's actually eating through that pretty good. So they have definitely a go-getter. That's for sure. Just check out that edge on the blade still. Ooh, pretty. 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 Yeah, definitely cutting through nicely. Little thin cuts going on for that. So, like I said, they come out with some pretty good wild tomatoes in the future. Not too bad. Really nice blade coming on apple trees in the future. Call me James Appleseed. So if you're looking for a machete, these are running about 30 bucks. Good camper. This is definitely a neat little factor. Right there. Sheath is definitely better than what the original Carnivore came with. So there we go. CAMILLUS CARNIVORE X. Thanks for watching.